Welcome to an exceptional single-story home in the heart of Fair Oaks that is a masterpiece built by Evergreen Communities. Let's go take a look inside. The courtyard serves as a focal point of this extraordinary home, creating a welcoming atmosphere that immediately draws you in. Step inside and you'll find an open concept floor plan that exudes modern sophistication while maintaining a warm and inviting ambiance. Thoughtfully designed, this home seamlessly combines functionality with elegance, offering a haven for everyone. Adorned with state-of-the-art appliances and expansive countertops, the chef's kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Whether you're preparing a casual breakfast or hosting a gourmet dinner party, this kitchen provides the perfect backdrop for your culinary creations. Every detail of this home has been meticulously crafted in timeless craftsman style, offering a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. The seamless flow from room to room creates a sense of harmony, making it an ideal space for entertaining and daily living. Wine connoisseurs will delight with a dedicated wine room, providing the perfect setting to savor and showcase your collection. This is just one of the many thoughtful details that make this home an exceptional one. The private primary suite reflects a commitment to quality craftsmanship and an unwavering dedication to creating a home that is both beautiful and functional. Indulge in the luxury of a home that not only captures the essence of craftsmanship, but also elevates your everyday living. This is more than just a residence. It's a sanctuary where style and elegance converge, and every moment is a celebration of the extraordinary.